All right, to take this course, you need to have Node version 16 or higher. Now, to check the version of Node on your machine, open up your command prompt or terminal window and run node-v. So on this machine, I'm running Node version 19. You might be running a newer version. That's totally fine. It's not going to impact the materials in this course, but you need to have Node version 16 or higher. If you don't, head over to nodejs.org and download the latest version on this page. Now, in this course, just like my other courses, I'll be using Visual Studio Code or VS Code as my editor. You're welcome to use any editor that you prefer, but if you want to use VS Code, I strongly suggest you to use the Prettier extension for formatting your code. So here's the extensions panel. Over here, search for Prettier and install this extension. Once you do that, on the top, under the code menu, go to Preferences and Settings. Now, this layout might be different on Windows or Linux. I'm not entirely sure, but find the Settings dialog and on this page, search for Format on Save. If you tick this box, every time you save a file, that file gets automatically reformatted. With all that, now we are ready to create our first React application.